Hi there, welcome back to another video. It's a daily yoga flow which you can practice on daily basis. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself and a will to flow with me. Probably a wall is an addition. So let's get started without wasting any time. First and foremost, sit up over your heels in Vajrasana. Keep your knees open, a little wider. Bring your hands down, extend them over the yoga mat. Take it as down as possible, create some momentum in and around your shoulder and surrender there. Breathe in and breathe out and center yourself with your breathing pattern. Take 3 to 5 rounds of breaths and be mindful as you exhale. Now bring both the palms together at the back of the head and feel the stretch over the forearms. Extend the palms. Place the palms over your cheeks. Get a support from the elbow and hold it up there. Extend the arms back and gently extend further into puppy pose. From there, come on all fours. Shoulders and palms in a line. Hips and knees are in a line. As you inhale, you look up. As you exhale, curl your spine. Tuck your toes if you need to and look at the navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. Inhale, extend. And exhale, curl it up. As you inhale, look up and take the left feet at the back in tiger pose. Keep the toe pointed at the back. Tuck your right toe if you have to. Keep your arms and palms strong. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring the left toe next to the left palm. Inhale here and with the exhale, half split to the side. Again, as you inhale, bring the foot down. Exhale, take the knee back. Inhale again, take the leg up in the tiger pose. Breathe here. As you exhale, bring the foot next to the left palm into lizard stretch. Go really deep into it. Then extend in the side split. Back with the inhale into the lizard. And as you exhale, bring the knee back. Now fold both the knees. Place the right knee down. Lift up the left knee up. Use your hand support and lift your side body up. For your oblique muscle, extend your hands if you can. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring the hand down. Extend the right leg all the way down. And then eventually extend your side plank, the supported one. You can extend both the feet together as well. Breathe and with the exhale, lower it down. Hips. Again, this time, keep the hip down. Keep the legs active. Have the hand support of the right hand. And breathe in and out. And with the exhale, change your side. This time again, come back on all fours. Again, inhale here. Exhale. As you inhale, take the right leg up in the tiger pose. Breathe in and out. Again, with the inhale, right foot next to the right palm into lizard stretch. Exhale into the side split, halfway. Inhale back to the lizard. Exhale. Inhale into tiger pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, inhale right foot next to the right palm. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep breathing. Push back your hip into the half split into the side. Again, inhale here. Now bring both the knees together down And now straighten the left leg or keep it folded. Use your hand support to lift up into side plank. Extend the leg if you can. Again, take the hand support. Inhale, lift it up all the way up and breathe. Exhale, gently lower down your hip. Now again, be here, and from here, come back on all fours again. Inhale and exhale, readjust yourself. Inhale deeper. With the exhale, tuck your toes in. And with the inhale, lift off your knees and bring it back. Inhale again. And this time, try to find the higher plank position comfortably. Your shoulders and palms are in a line. After 2 rounds of breath, with exhale, lower down your knees and get into a child pose. Extend your arms really well and breathe nicely. As you inhale into the higher plank again, this time try to go a little strong and exhale again, come back to the child pose. Inhale from half plank to get into Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Keep the hips up facing the ceiling. As you inhale, slide all the way into the back bend into Bhujangasana. Go as high as per your comfort. Hold up your Bhujangasana and continue breathing. As you exhale, come up and into child pose. Breathe in and out. Again, inhale into half plank. And then as you exhale, get into Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Chest down, hips up, knees down, hands to the side of the body. Inhale all the way into Bhujangasana. Breathe in and out. Again, inhale and with the exhale into child's pose. Breathe. Again, inhale, come on all fours, and from there get into a downward facing dog. Walk your feet as per your comfort. Make a V with your body. Have your strong palms, fingers widespread. Look in between the palms or at the navel. Keep paddling one knee at a time to have a better lengthening in the hamstrings. Breathe. And hold it up there. After 5 rounds of breath, with a bigger exhale, gently drop your knees down and comfortably sit up straight in Vajrasana. Now from here, move into Malasana, the yogic lower squat. Use any prop or wall support to support your back or hips if you need to. Keep your knees wide open, feet grounded down, pointed out. Your arms are helping you to keep your chest open, thighs grounded, hips more lowered. Continue to breathe in and out mindfully. And as you exhale, sit up comfortably into a butterfly pose. Bring both the feet together next to the groin. Sit up straight and bring both the feet together. Lower down your knees to the sides. Use the wall support if you have to. And use this time to relax. As you breathe in, your belly comes out. As you breathe out, your belly goes in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just observe your breath and let your body feel relaxed and rejuvenated to make the most out of your day. Let the whole body feel composed, de-stressed, and let your breath align you move further. If any thoughts comes in your mind, just step away from that thought and just focus on your inhalations and exhalations. Then eventually you can bring your hands over your heart and chest to internalize more and stay more connected with your inhalations and exhalations. Take a couple of few more rounds before you end the practice. Or also you can choose to practice sitting still as long as you want. Then eventually start making some gentle movements in your body. Rub your palms, gather the energy over your face and the body. And gently open your eyes and look at the navel. I hope you had a good practice with me and you practice this flow on daily basis. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.